Hi everyone, my name's Megan and I'm here to introduce myself to you guys. So like I said, I'm Megan. I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in criminal justice and I'm actually going to be done here in a little less than a year. And what I want to do when I get my degree, I don't know yet. I've been undecided about that ever since I started college. I knew I wanted to be in the criminal justice field. I just didn't know what I want to do. And I'm still at that standing point right now. I still don't know what I want to do. But yeah, I'm very eager to be done. Not have to worry about homework anymore, not having to come home from work and get straight on the computer and do my homework, and just be able to come home and relax. So I'm very eager to be done. But the only thing that I'm not looking forward to is having to pay on my student loans, which is awful. I think everybody can agree that it is the worst. But on the plus side right now, Trump put an interest free on the student loans, so I'm not complaining there. Yep, I'm a full-time college student as well as a full-time worker. I work at Henry Ford Allegiance Health here in Jackson. And work is a little up-paced right now due to what is happening. So everybody just wash your hands, stay safe, we'll be okay. So outside of work, I'm an introvert, very much. I like to be home, I like to be in my pajamas, and I like to be watching TV. I am not a big person that goes out all the time. I like to stay to myself and be a hermit in my house. But I'm not the person that is stocking up on toilet paper right now, so we're just going to throw that out there. So also I'm a huge dog lover. I have a dog. His name is Izzo. He is turning 4 on St. Patrick's Day. He is a pit bull mastiff, so he's a big boy. But aside from my dog, my second job is I'm a dog sitter. So if you ever need somebody to watch your dogs, just let me know. I can do it. I've been doing that for about 3 years now, maybe. So I have my client list, and makes me feel fancy saying I have a client list, but it's really not. So I have a lot of dog friends, which is why I'm probably an introvert as well. Yeah, that's really all there is about me. Like I said, I'm more of a homebody. I don't go out. I'm almost done with school, so we're getting there. So I guess my final words will be, stay safe and wash your hands. Okay, bye.